Looking for a daily routine to manage your weight? How about incorporating some yoga into your daily schedule? Yoga, a mind-body practice, not only helps in managing weight, but also improves mental and physical health. So stay tuned to learn about some effective yoga poses that you can add to your daily routine. Begin with sun salutations or Surya Namaskar. This sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses is an excellent cardiovascular workout that aids in weight loss. Start standing tall and breathing deeply. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, exhale, and fold forward. Step or jump back into a plank and lower down, keeping elbows close to your body. Push up into an upward-facing dog on an inhale, then exhale into downward-facing dog. Step or jump forward, rise to standing and reach your arms overhead. Exhale and return to your starting position. Repeat this sequence 5 to 12 times, breathing deeply and moving with each breath. Next, try the Warrior 2 pose or Virabhadrasana 2, which helps in toning the legs, arms, and lower back. Stand with your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Extend your arms to the sides, parallel to the floor, and then bend your right knee, making sure it's directly above your right ankle. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. The bridge pose, or Setu Bandhasana, is another excellent pose for strengthening the back and legs, while also improving digestion. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor under your knees. Push your hips up towards the ceiling, interlace your hands underneath you, and press down with your arms and shoulders to lift your chest. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and release. Finally, try the boat pose, or Navasana, which is perfect for strengthening the abdomen, hip flexors, and spine. Sit on the floor with your legs in front of you. Lean back slightly, lift your feet off the floor, and balance on your sit bones. Extend your arms in front of you, parallel to the floor. Try to straighten your legs, creating a V shape with your body. Hold this pose for 10 to 20 seconds, then release. To summarize, a daily routine of yoga can help in weight management by toning muscles, improving digestion, and providing a cardiovascular workout. The 4 poses covered today, sun salutations, Warrior 2, bridge, and boat, are all excellent choices to include in your routine. Remember to move with your breath and listen to your body. With consistent practice, you'll undoubtedly start to notice a difference in both your mental and physical health. Incorporating these poses into your daily routine can bring about a positive change in your life. Enjoy your journey with